Alright guys, so as I've been using this iPhone SE model since a couple of like 1 or 2 months now, and I really realized that can we play high demanding graphic based games on this phone as of today. And I just went ahead and installed the Asphault 9 on this, and I started the game playing, and it's really superb. I can show you the clip in few seconds to just make sure that how well this works. So just stick on and see as to how it looks. I'll show it from the start, like how the installation goes, how long it takes, and couple of things, and post which you can actually see how well the game is functional on the phone. Alright, so now I've actually enabled the the default play option, so now I can have to control the game with my hands by tilting the phone left and right to make sure that it works and it controls the car. So earlier that wasn't enabled, so now let's actually see how well the phone works. Oops. Superb. I can even control this drift from right from here, and it is working as expected. I've turned on the nitro. That bastard just got kicked. But anyways, like as you see, the game is still being handleable. I mean, you can control the game with just a normal play, but you cannot expect that phone will be as perfect as to the present phone. So I'm seeing a little bit of delays when I actually turn left and right, but it's not actually showing on the screen. So there's kind of a latency, but that's pretty minimal. That's fine because you are not getting that much, not spending that much of money on this phone. You could just paying like $100 and still have the option to play the game. And there's some default settings on this phone that you can actually enable to make sure that you can control the game on your own. There's something called as let's actually go and show you there as to how it looks. So once you go, so this is what is actually causing this. So it's touch drive, the option which I've just popped up few seconds back. So that's the option that actually controls, that's the touch on and off of the game, and you can actually go back and then do the toggle or change it whenever you want, but that's how it is. So I hope this phone still works pretty good, and for the price point of like $100, I believe that you're getting more than what you are expected for. And that's it. So I hope you have liked this video. Please do subscribe, post in your questions, comments. I'll definitely try to answer them. For now, I'll just like to end this video, and bye bye. So now that the audio is on, I want to change it. I want to go to sound, and I don't want any music, so I'll disable it completely and proceed again. So there's not much that I've actually done. It's actually taken care by the game engine itself. So now what I'll do is I'll actually enable the control of the steering so that I can do it on my own. So I'm going to enable this. Now this is when we can actually judge as to how the overall phone is actually handling this game. Let's do play. So we are now in the Snow Vault edition. So this is the track. Let's see how well the phone handles this situation now. Putting much of the load now. Oh, spoiled my car pretty badly. Taking a different track. Let's see how phone handles this. Alright, I've damaged the car, but that's pretty well. I'm not seeing any much of the issues with the handling of the phone, so let's actually continue the game. Oh, crazy. I'm the fifth one in the game, but that's fine. I just wanted to show you how the functionality of the game is. Alright. So from handling perspective and few other things like the responsiveness of the phone, it's like pretty good as to what I felt like. There's some kind of a lag, not that much when you actually tilt the phone left and right to actually control the car, but that's okay because the phone is like not that much of powerful as the present phones are. It's like 2016, 2 GB of RAM and 32 gigs of the total memory. So it's practically okay in that situation. For this kind of games I didn't see much of a difference, but okay, that's up to you. And if you want the speedness and the accuracy like to be 100%, then you can go buy the latest phones. But for minimal games, like once in a while, like whenever you have some time or the other situations, this phone is perfectly suitable. And as I always said, you don't need that big screens and that high-end CPU for just a normal usage. So with that, I would just like to end this video, guys. Please let me know what you felt about this video. Do subscribe, post in your comments, and bye bye.